Hello, in this video I want to show you all available box accessories for Redmi A1. Right here I have the box, phone is already out, now let's unpack it. So inside there's a foil with another foil. There's also USB charger with USB cable and a SIM card needle right here on the bottom. Warranty card, safety information, and quick start guide for the phone. And that's all of the items that comes with this phone. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.